हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल द डिम्पल गर्ल। और आज है डे 3 हमारे वेकेशन का। और डे 3 को हम निकल गए थे कोडाई से बिकॉज हमने किया बाय बाय उसको एंड वी वर गोइंग टू आवर नेक्स्ट डेस्टिनेशन। पर सुबह के टाइम पे हम इतने स्लीपी थे, सुबह के 6 बज रहे थे और हमने अपनी जर्नी ऑलरेडी स्टार्ट कर दी थी, तो हमको बहुत ही ज़्यादा वाली नींद आ रही थी। रास्ते में जाते जाते हमको एक सरप्राइज़ मिला। वी वर एबल टू सी सिल्वर कास्केडिंग वाटरफॉल। हमको नहीं मालूम था कि ये रास्ते में आएगा, बट it was like a surprise and we were able to see at least one waterfalls in Kodai, though the waterfall not in a full-fledged flow because अभी rainy season नहीं है, but still it was a beautiful sight। और आप मानोगे सुबह के 6 साढ़े 6 बजे ना ऑलरेडी इतने सारे लोग आ चुके थे बिकॉज शाम को ना दोपहर के टाइम पे it gets very crowded and yeah, we enjoyed it and then we headed back on our journey to Madurai। And what is a better way than to start New Year with blessing of God? And Madurai is a city of temples, so of course we had to go it। And Kodai से Madurai 3-4 घंटे की दूरी पे ही है, so it was a good decision to go। And on our way we decided to stop for breakfast and ये लिखो मेरी बाजू जितना लंबा था ये डोसा। होने वाली है। So tired ना? After a lot of masti and fun, we finally reached Madurai। and Madurai में अपने एक और दोस्त से मिली and he lives there, so he decided to show us around the city।
Okay, I'll wear my shades।
We did not bring that. No, we didn't. We kept our shades at home, yeah, Mani.
Hey, I have.
Cheated.
I got 3
I won't. Mani, our tour guide for today. He's gonna show us around Madurai, है ना?
हाँ, Madurai। Hi।
और नाव से है।
Hi।
This is outskirts of Madurai.
No, this is city।
Also, this is main city.
What is this tower?
Huh?
What
This is temple।
Oh, it's temple.
They are renovating।
Oh, okay, okay.
The renovation work is very good।
Oh,
Nandi।
Nandi.
But if
Oh, this is a temple.
Temple only। So this is Nandi।
Ah.
We are still roaming around the temple।
Oh, this is some other temple, right?
Correct।
wow, कितना
सुंदर पीछे टावर था उसका, मीनाक्षी अम्मा टेम्पल का।
that is we are roaming around that, है ना?
हाँ,
we
4
are-
directions,
we are-
Three
we are
directions
actually
of that temple.
360 degree।
U-turn we did on that.
We are roaming around 360 degree।
Building anticipation.
அண்ணா பார்க்கிங் எங்கண்ணா இருக்கு? பார்க்கிங்
செகண்ட் லெஃப்ட்
செகண்ட் லெஃப்டா?
Finally, after इतनी मेहनत मशक्कत, we were able to park our car and go to Meenakshi Amma temple। You see, this is like one of the tower of the temple and there are 4 towers in 4 different direction। and ये जो temple है ये मीनाक्षी and सुंदरेश्वर को dedicated है, which are the representation of Lord Shiva and Parvati Mata। and they Meenakshi and Sundareshwar got married over here and that's why this place is very sacred। It's so hot
time, right? You can come and you can go।
It's really hot, so we have taken this। बहुत ही गर्मी है।
It's okay। Sun won't, it won't be sunny।
By the time we reached मीनाक्षी अम्मा टेम्पल it was already afternoon और दोपहर में जो है मंदिर बंद कर दिया जाता है, शाम को वो 4 बजे फिर ओपन होता है। So in the meanwhile we decided कि हम जो पूरा मार्केट एरिया है वो एक्सप्लोर करेंगे। ये जो मार्केट है पूरे चारों तरफ अराउंड द टेम्पल है एंड यू कैन ईजिली एक्सप्लोर इट ऑन फुट। आप वॉक करके सब एक जगह देख सकते हो। यहाँ पर आपको बहुत अच्छी अच्छी शॉप मिल जाएंगी शॉपिंग के लिए। एंड आई वॉज सो मच फैसिनेटेड बाय मदुराई बिकॉज यहाँ पर कितना कुछ है ऑफर करने के लिए। इट हैज सच rich history, vibrant culture and what not। and मदुराई में मतलब ब्यूटीफुल टेम्पल्स तो हैं ही हैं. Apart from that, it is also known for its like delicacies and so many cuisines that it has to offer. And one such place was this. It named Jigar Thanda, which literally means a drink that cools your heart. And मैं सच में बता रही हूँ, इतनी टेस्टी थी ये ड्रिंक. ओ माय गॉड. मतलब अगर आप मदुराई आते हो, यू मेक श्योर यू ट्राई जिगर ठंडा. वैसे तो आपको बहुत सारी लोकेशन मिल जाएंगी जहाँ पर जिगर ठंडा बेचा जा रहा होगा, बट वी मेड श्योर टू गो टू द ओजी प्लेस. आवर फ्रेंड टुक अस देयर एंड इतना यमी थी ये. ओ माय गॉड. अगर आपको मौका मिले तो मेक श्योर यू गो टू द ओजी प्लेस ओनली वेयर इट ऑल स्टार्टेड.
This is how it is started.
Oh, this is how it started, and now look at the place. This is sitting area. After having Jigar Thanda, we were feeling so refreshed, and we again started exploring the market area.
There, there.
What is there?
It's like there means what chariot. Kind of chariot, big chariot. Where the actually they will take that one during the festival season. Come on.
Okay.
अम्मा दादी कहाँ जा रहे हैं हम बताओ राधिका.
Jagannathan? What?
Subway something.
No, that is a palace that we are going
What
to.
is the name money?
What is
Tirumala Nayakar.
Tirumala Nayakar.
Tirumala Nayakar.
Nayakar.
Nayakar. हाँ, Tirumala Nayakar. Finally, we were able to reach the Tirumala Nayak Palace, and this palace was built by a ruler named Tirumala Nayakar. That's why it's called Tirumala Nayak Palace. And this palace is around, I think, 400 years old. Like, it's quite old, to be honest. And right now, when we reached it, there was a construction going on, and at the entry of the palace, you have to buy a entry ticket, which is quite affordable, and then you can enter the gate of the palace. And from inside, oh my god, the palace was so pretty. I mean, it has such a huge pillars. I think there would be approximately like 80 feet tall. It was so sky high, and the architecture was so beautiful. I mean, just look at it. This open courtyard that you see specifically is called Rangla Vilasam, where the performances will be happening for the king. And there was a throne in front of that courtyard, and the side of the area was called Swarga Vilasam, where the king will be sitting with his all the ministers and everything. And this architecture was so pretty. It was inspired by Dravidian and Islamic styles and had a bit of European touch also to it, but it was so pretty. And this is the throne that I was talking about. It was at the center, and then there's a front courtyard. There is usually a sound and light show also that happens here, but when we went, the palace was under construction, so they have paused the light and sound show for now over there.
Video. What you are seeing, huh?
Mahima, sit. Oh, Sonia, sit on the throne. You are the queen.
I will.
She's the queen.
I sit.
Her throne. Video. This palace originally is quite huge, like very very huge, I would say. But after the death of Tirumala Nayak king, this palace was dismantled by later rulers, so most of the stones and everything was broken down, and now only 1/4 of the original palace exists. So just imagine, if the courtyard itself is so huge, how huge the palace would be. Then we looked into some of the artifacts that are still preserved over there.
To the loudspeaker, you have to sing.
Oh, no, I'm not here.
You need to tell the story now.
It's okay, you say.
Right? They will decide the marriage. Okay. Then they will tell her brother, who is Alagar, Lord Alagar. Okay?
Lord Aragar.
He is from 30 kilometers far away from here. Okay, what happened, right? They will tell him that you come for the wedding. So that wedding ceremony, everything it will start. Then here in Narasimhan temple, the big chariot and everything, it will start during the festival. And they will do this marriage and everything. What happens, right? His brother won't reach on time. The marriage will happen in the before day. So then what is the problem with? In that time, marriage will happen. So this information, another lord will be there. He will go and tell that, hey, buddy, your sister is already married. Then what happens, right? Next day, he will not go and check his sister because he will come for the sister wedding only. Then what he will do? He will take bath and he will go to his another house.
After exploring the palace, we went back to the temple and अभी 4 बजने वाले थे and the gate were all gonna be open, but दोपहर को इतना रश हो जाता है टेम्पल में, मतलब इतने सारे लोग आए होते हैं, आप क्राउड देख सकते हो, ये नेवर एंडिंग लाइन थी यहाँ पे पूरी. सो आई वुड सजेस्ट अगर आपको अच्छे से दर्शन करने हैं तो आप अर्ली मॉर्निंग आइए एंड अर्ली मॉर्निंग आके यहाँ पर अच्छे से प्रॉपर्ली दर्शन करिए. एंड मंदिर के अंदर जाने के लिए एक टिकट लगती है एंड आपको अंदर मोबाइल वगैरह कुछ भी आप लेके नहीं जा सकते हो. ऑल्सो लेडीज हैव्स टू वेयर आधे साड़ी और चूड़ीदार टू विजिट. आप यहाँ पर जीन्स शॉर्ट्स वगैरह डाल के नहीं आ सकते हो. ये दिस वॉज द ईस्ट गेट ऑफ द टेम्पल, बट अभी क्योंकि रेनोवेशन चल रही थी टेम्पल पे, सो इट वॉज ऑल कवर्ड. पेंट वगैरह वो सब पूरा प्रॉपर्ली रेनोवेट कर रहे हैं.
Madam, you have to go that side.
Okay, let's come.
We went to temple, but mobile phones are not allowed, so could not record it. Yeah. We went to the temple. We got this.
आफ्टर विजिटिंग टेम्पल वी वर एक्सप्लोरिंग द मार्केट एंड देन हमने वहाँ पर बहुत ही यूनिक चीज़ देखी. आई डोंट नो इफ़ यू हैव एवर ट्राइड और नॉट, बट दिस इज़ द कोकोनट स्टेम. लाइक व्हेन जब कोकोनट का ट्री कट करा जाता है, उसके अंदर की जो स्टेम होती है वो भी ईटेबल होती है. हमको तो मालूम भी नहीं था एंड हमने ये पहली बार खाया एंड बहुत ही यूनिक था. लाइक माइल्डली स्वीट एंड कोकोनटी फ्लेवर भी आ रहा था उसके अंदर, बट बहुत ही लाइट सा एंड ऊपर उन्होंने मसाला डाल के दिया था. इट वॉज वेरी यमी.
A different coconut tea.
And then we went for some sari shopping and that is how we ended our day and we headed back to Bangalore.